Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I absolutely love the fall season and I love decorating for fall, so I thought I would take you with me as I decorate my outside and my inside of our home. Jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. I love using wreaths to decorate the front door, and buying wreaths can be very expensive if you are buying them for all the seasons. So I went to my local thrift store and found this fall leaf for $6.99, and I also went to the Dollar Tree and found these little pumpkins. All I did was rearrange the wreath and added the pumpkins. Self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No more. No. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety. Can't live here no more. No more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I learned it before it starts. Disguised as strength, body. Self-sabotage my love. Hey. Self-sabotage my love. The root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. Small area that had really great lighting and was a small open space, so I decided to make it into a reading nook.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, please hit the subscribe button, hit the alarm button for notifications when I next post, and let me know in the comments below which DIY was your favorite, and also don't forget to like this video. I will be back again. Bye.